Hello my student. اليوم نكمل الفيديو الثاني اللي خاص بالوورد 2010 واللي هو application تابع للمايكروسوفت اوفيس 9.1 to create a list. Select the text that you want to format as a list. Click the bullets of or numbering drop down arrow on the home tab. 3. Step 3. Select the bullet or numbering style you would like to use and it will appear in the document. Step 4. To remove numbers or bullets from a list, select the list and click. Select the list and click the bullet or numbering command. When you are editing a list, you can press enter to start a new line, and the new line will automatically have a bullet or number when you have reached the end of your list. Press enter twice to return normal formatting. هنا يقول إذا في حالة إحنا نريد عندنا list من الدوكيمنت عبارة عن مجموعة نقاط أو list من البيانات، يمكن اختيار من الهوم، نقدر نختار البولست or numbers للترقيم. وفي حالة ترقيم أول عنصر أو أول تكست بالليست عند ضغط انتر راح يكون ترقيم حسب ما أنت سويت النمبر للفيرست دوكيومنت أو first text in the list. To use a symbol as a bullet, select an existing list, click bullet drop down arrow, select define a new bullet from the drop down menu. The define a new bullet dialog box appear like here. Click the symbol button. The symbol dialog box appear. Step 5. Click the font drop down box and select a font. The wedding and symbol fonts are good choices as they have a large number of useful symbols. ما عندك تطلع الرموز بهذه الخانة في حالة احتياجك للرموز. Number 6. Select the desired symbol. Click OK. The symbol will now appear in the preview section of the define new build dialog like here. After that, click OK to apply the symbol to the list, the document. To change the build color, the step 1, select an existing list, click the bolt drop down arrow, select define a new build from the list. The define a new build dialog box appear. Click the font button. The font dialog box appear. Step 5, click the font color drop down box like here if you want to change the color of build. Number 6, click on the desired color to select it. Number 7, click OK. The build color will now appear in the preview section of the define new build dialog. Step 7, click OK. The build color will now appear in the preview section of the define new build dialog box. I choose the color green here to build. Click OK to apply the build color to the list in the document. 9. Using shapes, استخدام الأشكال. Large shape collection allow you to organize and design the image you desire. هناك collection من الشيب موجودة مسموح بها للتصميم اللي خاص بك واللي تحتاجه أو ترغب. While you may not need shape, In every document you create, they can add visual appeal. To use shapes actively, you will need to know how to insert shape and format it by checking its fill color, outline color, and shape style, as well as 3D effects. To insert shape لإضافة شكل select the insert tab اللي موجودة بالرايبون. Step 2 click the shapes command here. Okay, after that select a shape from the drop down menu. Step 4 click and drag the mouse until the shape in desired size. تحجم الشكل. Release the mouse button. To resize a shape لتصغير الحجم الخاص بالشكل، هناك مجموعة خطوات. First step click on the shape to select it. Step 2 click and drag one of the sizing handle on the corner and side of the shape until it is the desired size. Step 3 to rotate the shape, drag the green handle. Step 4 some shapes also have one or more yellow handle that can be used to modify the shape. For example, with a star shape, you can adjust the length of the points. If you drag the size handle on any of the four corners, you will be able to change the height and width at the same time. تصغير الارتفاع والعرض بالنسبة للشيب. The sizing handle on the top or bottom of the shape will only allow you to resize vertically, while the handle on the left and right sides will resize the shape horizontally. To change the order of shapes, if one shape overlaps another, you may need to change the ordering so that the correct shape appears in front. You can bring a shape to the front or send it to back. If you have multiple images, you can use a bring forward or send backward to fine-tune the ordering. You can also move a shape in front or behind text. Right click. الخطوات اللي مطلوبة. أول step هي right click the shape you wish to move لتحريك الشيب اللي تختارته. Step 2 in the menu that appears, however, overlaying to front or send to back, several ordering options will appear like this. Okay. Where you click in the shape, this list appears to you. Step 3 select the desired ordering option. The shapes will while reorder themselves. In some cases, the ordering option you select will not affect the ordering of the shapes. If that happens, select the same option again or try different option. Change shape appearance. To change the different shape, select the shape. إذا بدنا نغير الظاهر يعني الابيرنس اللي يظهر للعيان من خلال الوورد بالنسبة للشيب اللي تختاره، الإطار المائي أو غيرها. To change to a different shape, select the shape and new format appearance with the drag tools. Here. Step 2, click on the format tab, click the edit shape command. After that, click the change shape to display a drop down list like here. Select the desired shape from the list. Now you see the results. To change the shape style, the first step, select the shape, the format tab appear. Click the more drop down or row in the shape style group to display more style option. يمكن من خلال check list تنفتح drop down راح تلقي مجموعة من الستايلات like here. More choice a visual style for the shape or line. Step 3, move your cursor over the styles to see a live preview of the style in your document. The aim step, select the desired style. To change the shape fill color لتغيير لون الشيب. Select the shape that format tab appears. Select the format tab. Third, select the shape fill command to display a drop down list like here. Step 4, select the desired color. اختار الكولر اللي يعجبك اللي تريد تخليه على الشيب هذا. From the list, choose no file or choose more fill colors to choose customer color. customer color يعني إذا هذه الألوان ما كفت أو ما عجبتك أو الستايل مالتك يحتاج لون ثاني تقدر تختار more fill colors أو تكتب no fill راح ما يتلون يبقى اللون شفاف. To change the shape outline, select the shape, the format tab appears. Step 2, click the format tab. Step 3, click the shape outline command to display drop down menu like here, choosing an outline color. Step 4, from the drop down menu you can change the outline color, weight, thickness, and whether or not it is a dashed line. This thickness color. To change shadow effect, the step 1, select the format tab. Step 2, click the shape effect command. A drop down menu will appear like here. You see shadow يعني الظل. Step 3, however the mouse overshadow you will see a list of shadow appears. ولما تضع هنا الماوس check list من الشادو راح تظهر لك. Step 4, move your mouse over the menu options to see a live preview of the shadow effect in your document. Step 5, click the desired shadow effect to add it to your shape. You can select shadow option from drop down menu and click the color button to select the different shadow color from your shape. 3D effects, ثلاثي الأبعاد, 3 dimension. There are two kinds of effect that you can apply to your shapes to give them a 3-dimension appearance. 3 rotation and bevel. 3 rotations give the appearance that you are viewing the object from a different angle and it can be applied to any shape. Bevel added thickness and rounded edge to shape, but it does not work with very type of shape. يعني مو كل الشيب تشتغل وياها 3 dimension effects. To use 3D rotation, select the shape, the number 1 for the first step. Select the shape. After that, click on the format tab After that, click shape effects from the shape styles. Step 4, hover the mouse over 3D rotation, a drop menu will appear. Step 5, like here, if you 3D. This جال رؤية rotations تدوير للشيب اللي عندك. Step 5, select the desired rotation present from the drop down menu. You can also click 3D rotation option if you would prefer to type customer values. This shape, this face, this figure, you can see when you need to add 3D rotation to your shape. To use buffle, select the shape. After that, click on the Format tab and click the Shape Effect from the Shape Styles group. Step 4, hover the mouse over Bevel. A drop-down menu will appear here. Step 5, select the desired bevel preset from the drop-down menu. You can also click 3D options if you would prefer to type in customer values. If you click on 3D option, you will also be able to change the shape materials to give it a metal, plastics, or translucent appearance, and you can choose the lighting type to show the shape is illuminated. You can see this dialog. From here you can change for 3D format. Text box are useful for helping to organize your document. هو مفيد لتنظيم الدوكيمنت الخاص بنا. They are basically treated the same as shapes. So when you insert a textbook, you can format it be changing its fill color, outline color, and shape style, as well as create word art and add 3D effects. يعني التكست بوك نتعامل وياه كأنما نتعامل ويا الشيب من خلال اللون، تغيير اللون، الاوتلاين كولر، الستايل مال الشيب، وال 3D effects. To insert a text box لإضافته هناك مجموعة من الخطوات. The first step, select the insert on the right one. Step 2, click the text box command in the text group. A drop-down menu will appear. Third step, select draw text box. Like here. When you choose text box, this option appears to you. Step 4, click and drag on the document to create the text book. عملية تسقيط التكست بوكس اللي انت تريده داخل الدوكيمنت اللي انت تريده. The 5th step, you can now starting typing to create a text inside the text box. الآن بعد ما نزلنا التكست بوكس على الدوكيمنت مالتنا من خلال نقدر تايب هو طباعة creating text inside، نطبع التكست اللي نريده داخل التكست بوكس. To resize a text box, click the text box and click and drag of the sizing handles on the corner or sides of the text box until it is the desired size. تصغير حجم. Like here if you drag the sizing handle on any of the 4 corners, you will be able to change the height and width at the same time. The sizing handle on the top or bottom of the text box will only allow you to resize vertically, while the handle on the left and right sides will resize the text box horizontal. يعني انت بعد ما حددت ووضحت عندك الصورة بعد الدبل كليك على التكست بوكس راح يكون عندك إمكانية تصغير اللينث، الهايت اللي هو الارتفاع، والويدث هو العرض مال التكست بوكس من خلال هذه الصورة. إذا ظهرت لك يمكن من خلال هذا ترجع لهنا تصغر العرض مالته، أو منها تقلل أو تكبر بنفس الوقت. يمكنك إنه الهايت والويدث غير in the same time بالوقت نفسه. Changing a text box appearance. To change the text box shape, the first step, select the text box, a new format tab appears with drawing tools. Go the format tab, click the editing shape. After that, click change shape to display a drop down list. Okay. The end step, select the desired shape from the list. To choose a shape style, choosing shape style allows you to apply a burst, fill and outline color, and in some cases other effects such as beveling and shadow. You do not have to pick style for your text box, but it can help you save time to experiment with different appearances. The first step, select the text box, the format tab appearance, and select the format tab. Click the more drop down arrow, the shape styles group, to display more style option like here. You see. However, the mouse over the style to see a live preview. The end step, select the desired styles. To change shape fill. Step 1, select the text box, the format tab appears here. Click the format tab and click the shape fill command to display a drop down menu. From the drop down menu you can select a color from the list. Choose no fill يعني without color, or select more fill colors. تختار ألوان أخرى غير الألوان الموجودة هنا من خلال more fill color. To use a color that's not on the list اللي ما موجودة بالليست أساسا. To change the shape outline, first step, select the text box. The format tab appears. Click the shape outline command to display a drop down list. Third step, select a color from the list. Choose no outline or select more outline color to use a color that's not on the list. The end step, from the drop down you can change the outline color, width, white, thickness, and whether or not it is a dashed line. Okay, after that, to change shadow effect, step 1, select the text box, the format tab appears, and select format tab and change to text or shape. It must be select the format tab. Third step, click the shape effect command. Fourth, click shadow. Move your mouse over the menu option to see a live preview in your document like here. After that, click the desired option to select the shadow effect. Creating a wall art. In addition to adding effect to text box, you can also add effect to the text inside the text box, which is known as wall art. For the most part, the types of effect you can add are the same as the ones you can add to shapes or the text box. However, you can also transform the text to give it a wave, slant, or inflated look. Apply a quick style to text. A quick style will automatically apply several effects to your text at once. You can then refine the look of your text by adding or modifying text effect. The first step, select the text box. Step 2, click the Format tab. Click the Quick Styles here. Quick Styles command in the Word Art Styles group. A drop-down menu will appear. In this command, you can see or appear to you this command. Step 4, select the desired style preset to apply the style to your text. After you have applied a quick style, you can style modify the font or font color from the Home tab itself. Thank you for attention. انتهت محاضرتنا اليوم. في حالة وجود سؤال أو استفسار بخصوص هذه المادة يمكن التواصل معنا بواسطة الموديل اللي احنا اعطيناكم الباسورد واليوزر نيم الخاص بكم كل طلبتنا. شكرا جزيلا.